I joined the cast of This Old House maybe 15 years ago. I had done small parts, mainly because of Tommy. He introduced me to the show and I had done a few segments.
I'm always concerned when you're dealing with something like this. That's why we brought in Mark McCullough, our mason, and he's going to help us.
Yep, we got it.
Look at that. Isn't that sweet?
And then I was asked to do a segment on Ask This Old House. Summer?
Mark.
Hi. Apparently it went well enough for me to be asked back, and here I am. I brought some wood. Marshmallows are here.
Real wood.
Yeah.
Real wood.
Yeah.
Real marshmallows.
Yeah.
Real marshmallows.
And what are you going to do with those?
Make some s'mores.
How did I become a mason? Well, interesting story. I was in a city called Chelsea, Massachusetts, and as a young guy, 13, 14 years old, during the summer times, I used to unload watermelons. One day, there was a shooting. My mom read about it in the newspaper, told me I was not going back to that job, and my cousin Jack's best friend was a mason, and my mom immediately called him and said that I was coming to work the next morning, which I did, and I've never left. What I like to use for your house is a City Hall paver. They're right here. So this is a clay brick. It's going to allow more movability than the concrete did. This red will really pop. My mentor was a man named Dominic Pisiti. He was from Italy. We started working together when he was 63 years old. We finished working together when he was probably 83 or 84. He taught me how to do masonry. Some of his techniques with bricklaying and stone laying I still employ. Everything about my physical health and my mental health and just well-being all came from Dominic. The thing to me that sets masonry apart from all the other trades has to be the artwork. Whether we're using stone, granite, marble, brick, we want your project to be unique. We want it to be what you want.
It just looks unreal. I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
All right, well, you're welcome. If you knew the technical aspect of just laying one brick and then laying the next brick the exact same way, which to me you can only lay perfectly. There's a challenge in there every day. The self-gratification that you get out of putting something together that you know is going to be there for 50, 60, 70 years. Now we want to check for level. And we're good. It's something that makes you show up the next day. You want to do it again. This is a museum piece, this fireplace. I mean, I'm out of my mind right now. I don't even know where to start.
You like it?
I love it. This is the gem right here, the old beehive oven.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so now I can see why you emailed us. I love my job. When I was a younger guy, a lot of people would complain to me about their job. I never understood it. I've always felt lucky to feel like I'm in love with my job, and that's what I hope people get out of me. And what I've always tried to instill in my kids or anyone's kids is always be yourself, do what you want to do, and when you find out what you want to do, develop the passion for it. And if I come through the door covered in cement, they all know that I enjoyed my day.
Excellent.
Looking good.
That looks so good.
All right, now we have some cleaning up to do, Jen.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.